Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Wednesday, December 13th. For the record, today is Tuesday, December 12th. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So last weekend I made a higher time frame analysis, basically to situate like this strong move, how we could interpret it or make it fit in the bigger picture. And so I came up with two scenarios: a scenario where the wave one here is finished in green, shallow wave 2 pullback. We did not reach the zero point 0.5 FIP retracement, and then from here we might be working on this wave 3, and we should do this in 5 waves. And then here what we are doing is our first wave. And then secondly, let's say a less bullish scenario, still bullish, but less bullish than the scenario in green. A scenario where this wave one here is not finished yet, but where we are working on this wave one as a leading diagonal. And then we should get something like this: wave one here in red, wave two, then here we have a wave 3, 4, and 5 to finish a wave one right here. For the moment, we do not really know. We cannot look into the future, what's gonna play out. So I just propose that we focus here on this structure and see where we are heading from here. If you want to have more details on this bigger picture, please have a look at my last higher time frame analysis on the DAX. Then if we go to the 4 hour, not much has actually changed for the DAX. The observations are still the same, like what we see here on the 4 hour is divergence. This is typically a pattern for an ending impulse. And so I would count this structure as a 1, a 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 right here. So far, we have divergence in our last and final wave, the fifth wave. So that might be an indication that this wave one here is finished or is finishing. Now, this is all under the assumption that we still see the divergence right here. Of course, once we are in an impulse, it is always possible to extend. And yeah, if we would take out the divergence right here, that would be an indication that we will extend. And then I would say, or then I would start to favor the scenario in red here, where this is a wave one, this is a wave two, and then we would be working on the wave three, because that would mean that we have our highest RSI reading somewhere right here. And this is typically what happens in wave 3 or wave 3 of 3. But so far, with the data we have right now, I have to favor the scenario in green, with this as an ending impulse. Then if we go to the 1 hour, again, similar observation as in my last video. Also, this structure here shows an ending pattern. We have the divergence here in this structure. So from this wave 4 low, it looks like we have another impulse and another impulse that shows divergence. So this also looks ending. However, remember what I said in the 4 hour. If we erase divergence, this might be an indication that we start a new upward cycle, and then we have to favor the scenario here in red, I believe. Tomorrow, we have the Fed meeting, and this kind of events can be, usually this kind of events can lead to some kind of move, a move that would erase the divergence, or yeah, some kind of strong drop, and then we might have started the correction downwards. So hopefully after tomorrow's meeting, but so for the DAX that will actually be on Wednesday, we will know a bit more about this ending structure, or a further extension. I believe that's it for now. Let's wait for tomorrow and the reaction of the indices, and then I will provide another update. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.